Hello, everyone. This is meteorologist Ryan Willis, and this is your weekly weather briefing for Thursday, August 18th, 2022. The main story over the week ahead will be a persistent trough that will be situated over the eastern United States. This will put our area in a mostly wetter weather pattern over this time frame. The primary concern will be locally heavy rainfall, which could lead to isolated flooding issues. However, widespread flooding concerns are not expected. With the increase in clouds and precipitation over much of the period, temperatures will remain below normal primarily. If we take a look at the current satellite and radar across the southeastern U.S. as of 11:45 this morning, you can see a large area of showers and thunderstorms to our south and west. This is situated along a stalled frontal boundary, which will concentrate the highest rain chances through the day today. Delving a little deeper, if we take a look at the 500 millibar upper level map, we'll see the persistent trough situated over the eastern United States over the next several days. This will keep waves of moisture and the chance of rainfall on the higher side across the local area each day over the coming week. For today, a stationary front will linger across South Georgia, which will concentrate the highest rain chances across the southern half of the area. Slightly drier air across far north Georgia will keep rain chances relatively low through this evening for these areas. As mentioned, the highest rain chances today will be situated across middle Georgia, with lower rain chances farther to the north. With the relative increase in clouds and showers and thunderstorms, high temperatures will mainly be in the 80s for most of the area. Higher rain chances are expected on Friday as the front lifts back northward. This front, along with an upper disturbance, will lead to a higher coverage of showers and thunderstorms across the area. You can see that high rain chances are expected across the area with widespread showers and thunderstorms through the day on Friday. With these widespread showers and storms, high temperatures will struggle to reach 80 degrees for part of the area, with the remainder of the area reaching into the low to mid 80s. The relatively unsettled weather pattern will persist into Saturday, with scattered showers and thunderstorms expected mainly during the afternoon and evening hours. High temperatures will remain near to slightly below normal. Not much change is expected for Sunday, with scattered showers and thunderstorms again expected. High temperatures will mainly range again from the mid to upper 80s. As mentioned, there will be the risk for locally heavy rainfall over the next couple of days. If we take a look at the outlook from the Weather Prediction Center, you can see that the higher risk for localized heavy rainfall will be across the southern half of the area today. For tomorrow, with the increase in showers and thunderstorms across the entire area, the marginal risk is expanded to cover the whole area. As far as the forecast for rainfall totals over the next 3 days, you can see that primarily widespread half-inch to 1-inch amounts are forecast. However, locally higher amounts can be expected where heavier thunderstorms occur, which would lead to the potential for the isolated flooding concerns we discussed on previous slides. And taking a broader look at the forecast for rainfall totals over the next 7 days, you can see widespread 1 to 2-inch amounts are expected. While the forecast amounts have come down a bit from earlier forecasts, these amounts will still continue to indicate the potential for locally heavy rainfall totals over 1 to 2 inches, which could lead to isolated flooding concerns over the week ahead. Since we are getting into the climatologically more active period of hurricane season, we'll take a quick look at the tropics. At this point, the tropics continue to be mostly quiet. However, a tropical wave in the western Gulf does have a low potential of development as it heads northwestward, though there would be no direct effects locally. Remember, though, that we are just beginning to approach peak hurricane season, which peaks in mid-September, so it's important to remain aware of the forecast as we head into the more active time of year. Again, taking a look at the week ahead, we can see that a fairly unsettled weather pattern will remain in place, with daily chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will remain mostly below to perhaps near normal over this time frame. So, with the persistent trough remaining over the eastern U.S., The area will remain in that wetter weather pattern that we've discussed over the coming week, with locally heavy rainfall the primary threat, which could lead to isolated flooding concerns. With that said, widespread flooding issues are not currently anticipated. With the increase in clouds and precip, temperatures will remain primarily several degrees below normal over many of the days over the week ahead. And with that, thank you for listening to this week's weather briefing. If you need to get in touch with us or access any of our online resources, you can find that information on this page. Have a great week.